One dumpling, 7 countries. One delicious adventure for the whole family. From Italy to Japan, Morocco to Mexico. This rainbow bite is a passport to flavor. No artificial dyes here, just nature's palette. Spinach, beet, turmeric, cabbage, butterfly pea, carrot, 7 vibrant doughs. Detailed recipe in description box. From Italy, gooey mozzarella, sweet tomato, tiny bell peppers, pizza in a dumpling. Subscribe and stay connected. From Japan, teriyaki chicken and sweet corn. Gentle, savory, golden. Shredded chicken, a drizzle of mild teriyaki, and sweet corn kernels. Now Mexico, pinto beans mashed with cheddar cheese and a hint of taco spice. A dumpling with fiesta spirit. India's turn. Crumbled paneer tossed in mild butter masala and fresh coriander. Wrap in a crescent pleat chain for texture. Bonjour, France. Soft scrambled egg with cream, folded with mushrooms and gruyere. To Morocco. Shredded chicken with honey, cinnamon, and golden raisins. And finally, the USA. Chicken mixed with barbecue sauce and cream cheese. Comment below, like, share, and subscribe for more food adventures. Thank you for watching. Which country should we cook next?